Okay, so in this file, what we have is we have a monster that follows us, and then if you defeat this monster, it'll give you a laser. Okay, so how did I do this? All right, so what I did was the following. I made a monster. So it's a rather very simple monster. So we're gonna go inside and take a look at it. So just have an animation, right, with a single state, the guy holding a laser. All right, so and the reason why he's giving you the item is because it has an emitter, and this emitter has a trigger which says is self status died, which basically means if the object itself dies, then right before it dies, it does something. And in this case, it's using the emitter, which emits this object. So this object, as you can see, is a laser, but I have a little arrow. So, and this is a very special object. It's called an alias. So, and essentially what it is, it's a pointer to the actual laser.